Are you tired of feeling sluggish while working from home or sitting all day at the office? Here are the 5 best mini exercise bikes I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, RYGEO Mini Exercise Bike. The RYGEO Mini Exercise Bike caught my eye with its lightweight design and affordable price of just $28.99. This bike is perfect if you want to incorporate some low-intensity exercise into your daily routine. This bike is specifically designed for leg and arm recovery, which is great if you're looking to improve mobility or just want to stay active while working or watching TV. It has 5 adjustable resistance levels that let you easily switch up your workout intensity, which is particularly helpful if you're recovering from an injury. The fact that it's lightweight at just 1.9 kilograms means you can easily move it around your home or office, and it can fit under most desks. Now, some users mentioned that the pedal motion can feel a bit too easy, especially for those used to high-intensity workouts. Here's the thing though, this bike is meant for gentle exercise, so if you're looking for something more intense, it might not meet your needs. But if you're focusing on recovery or just getting started with exercise, it's a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you're recovering from surgery or just need a low-impact option for exercise at home. Skip this one if you're an experienced athlete looking for a serious workout. At this price, it's a solid choice for gentle movement and recovery. If the RYGEO's lightweight design isn't what you're after, the next option might offer a bit more variety in your workout. Product number 2, Cursor Fitness Under-Desk Elliptical, which is priced at $74.99. If you're looking to boost productivity while sneaking in some exercise, this one's definitely worth considering. This elliptical allows you to work out while sitting, making it an excellent choice for anyone who spends hours at a desk. With 12 speed levels and modes, you can customize your workout to suit your needs, whether you're in rehabilitation or just trying to stay fit. The ability to switch directions adds another layer of versatility, helping to engage different muscle groups. Plus, it features a remote control for easy adjustments, which is super convenient. However, some users reported that the elliptical can be a bit noisy at higher speeds. While it's designed to be quiet, the motor might still be audible, which could be a concern if you're in a shared office space. But honestly, if you're working out while watching TV or reading, the noise level shouldn't be a major issue. This is ideal for office workers or anyone who wants to maintain an active lifestyle without leaving their chair. Skip this if you're looking for a high-intensity workout, as this elliptical is more about steady movement. Given the features, it's a good value for anyone focused on staying active at their desk. Now, if you want something a bit more portable, the next bike on my list may be exactly what you need. Product number 3, the Himali Under-Desk Bike. Coming in at $48.99, the Himali Under-Desk Bike offers a compact solution for your exercise needs. If you need something that's easy to set up and move around, you'll want to hear about this one. This bike is designed for both arm and leg workouts, making it versatile for different fitness levels. The adjustable resistance feature allows you to tailor your exercise intensity, which is fantastic if you're just starting out or have specific recovery goals. Plus, the digital LCD display tracks time, calories, and distance, so you can monitor your progress in real time. However, some users have expressed that assembling the bike can be a bit tricky, which might be frustrating if you're eager to get started. But I'll be real with you, once it's set up, you'll find it easy to use. This is perfect for those who want a lightweight and portable option for exercise at home or the office. Skip this if you prefer something that's more durable or heavy-duty, as this bike is primarily for low-impact workouts. For its price and features, it's a great buy for gentle exercise. If that wasn't your style, the next mini bike could offer a bit more stability and features. Product number 4, the AGM Mini Exercise Bike, priced at $43.20. This option is all about providing a solid workout experience with its sturdy design. The AGM bike is perfect for both arm and leg exercises, allowing you to improve muscle strength and coordination. With a compact design, it fits easily under desks, which is great for use at home or in the office. The adjustable resistance knob lets you control your workout intensity, making it suitable for beginners or those who need lighter exercise. Plus, the multifunctional LCD display shows you all the important stats like time, speed, distance, and calories burned. One drawback is that a few users mentioned the pedals have a slight wobble during use, which can be a bit distracting. But here's the thing. For the price and the benefits it offers, this isn't a deal breaker for most users who are looking for low-impact workouts. This is ideal if you're just starting your fitness journey or need something for light rehabilitation. Avoid this if you're looking for something more heavy-duty or intense, but overall, it's a great value. Now, if you're looking for something that can easily fold up and store, the next product on the list might be exactly what you're searching for. Product number 5. Vaughn Foldable Pedal Exerciser. We have the Vaughn Foldable Compact Pedal Exerciser, coming in at $42.77. If you want something you can easily store away, this could be the perfect choice. This pedal exerciser is designed for both arms and legs, giving you the flexibility to incorporate exercise into your daily routine while you work or read. It features an adjustable tension knob, so you can control the intensity of your workout. Plus, the folding mechanism makes it super easy to store when you're not using it, which is a major plus if space is tight. However, some users noted that it might not be suited for very intense workouts. It's not meant for heavy exercise, so if that's what you're after, you might want to look elsewhere. But if you're interested in light to moderate activity, it's definitely worth it. As we wrap up, let's compare all 5. To quickly recap, we covered the RYGO Mini Exercise Bike, Cursor Fitness Underdesk Elliptical, Himali Underdesk Bike, AGM Mini Exercise Bike, and the Vaughn Foldable Pedal Exerciser. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Cursor Fitness Underdesk Elliptical because it offers the most versatility and speed options for staying active while working. On the other hand, I recommend avoiding the RYGO if you're looking for a more intense workout. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.